Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got 3 products for you if you're interested in getting into welding. And I love them, and I know you will too, so let's check them out. Here we have Forney Industries EZ-Weld MP140 welding machine. And it is a great machine for that person who wants to get into welding at a reasonable price. I am a beginner welder, and I took this thing out of the box and was able to get it set up with its quick start guide in about 20 minutes. And it comes with the MIG torch, it comes with the machine, and it comes with the grounding clamp. Everything you need to get going in welding. Now, this thing also will grow with you. It is able to do flux core welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding. So as you develop new welding skills, you can add on to this machine, and it'll be a machine that you'll be able to use for a really long time. This welder is a great value, and you can weld up to 1/4 inch of material, which is all I will ever have to weld. Pick it up for $430 at home centers, online, or at Forney Industries website. That is the Forney EZ-Weld MP140 welding machine. These are the MagMate magnetic welding squares. Now they're great for beginners because you can focus on safety and where you want to put your bead instead of how you're going to hold your parts together. It does that for you. Now these are the 3/4 of an inch model, which is great for smaller materials, but they do make a variety of other different sizes and shapes. These are great because they have multiple different angles, letting you hold your material in multiple different ways. And once you put your material onto the magnets, you can be confident that they will stay there, letting you again focus on safety and where you want that bead to go. Now, these are $15 each. These are the 3/4 inch model, and you can find them online. Remember, that is the MagMate magnetic welding square. Here we have Metal Man's auto darkening welding helmet and Revco's Black Stallion welding gloves. When it comes to DIY, safety is key and welding is no different. This awesome welding mask gives you the option to change the sensitivity when you're welding and to change the shade so that you can be safe and keep your eyes protected from that arc while you're welding. Now the gloves are made out of sheepskin palms and cowhide backs. They are lined on the inside, makes it really comfortable to use, and the seamless index finger allows you to use your torch really easily with lots of dexterity while you're welding. Now, the Metal Man welding helmet is $60 and the Revco Black Stallion welding gloves are $20. Find them both online. So there you have it. 3 products with a bonus because safety is that important. Check these out to get you started on your welding journey. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know you will too. So check us out again on Stuff We Love.